Okay, part of your assessment is you need to test your website. You will need to test your website in several ways. Maybe check your spelling, check your HTML, CSS and validate it, and make modifications. Part of your marking is that you test your product and you improve it by testing. So I'm going to show you how to do one of them. So I'll just grab a website. And I'm going to get the contents of this page here. Yeah, I'll use the contents of this page here. So Control All, copy, and I'm going to go to just any browser, just any search engine, and type in HTML validator. And this one says W3C validator, so I'll use that one. Now you can do by file upload and upload the file, or just copy and paste the code directly in. I want to put it in. That is not something I want in my code. Yep. Anyway, check. And I look down here, and if there's any errors or warnings, I want to take a screenshot of that, and that goes in testing. So put that in your testing. You'll then have to make modifications and get rid of some of these errors and show that you've made improvements to the code. Sometimes it'll tell you down here where the error is, so you can find it and say, oh yeah, there's an error there, or it's missing, maybe it's missing alt tags as a warning or something. But you can fix most of the warnings and errors. If it's CSS, you'll need to, let's go into brackets. If it's CSS, so if I go in there, I will do the same thing, Control A, Control C, and I want to, this time, I don't want HTML validation, I want CSS. So I'll say I want to validate my CSS, and I'll use the either this one or this one, doesn't really matter, because you're testing your CSS, seeing if it's valid. I'll go by direct input, copy and paste, and check my CSS for errors. You want to copy and paste this into your a screenshot of this for testing. You can embed one of these little badges into your footer to show that you actually it has been CSS tested and checked. So that's actually quite good, putting that in your footer of your web page. But you have to test it. So I try testing the links by video recording yourself, testing your page, and check. Make sure you've done your CSS, your HTML, not via video, actual do it, and then copy and paste the actual screenshots, okay? When you're doing functionality testing, you're testing the links, and you're testing the videos work, and you're testing things like that, and you're showing the whole page. That's good by video, but that's not the only testing you should do. You need to test everything you can think of, basically, okay? Spell checking is really important, okay? That's basically me. So I'll try and stop that.